David H. Smith Conservation Research Postdoctoral Fellowship in USA. David H. Smith Conservation Research Fellowship Program, USA invites application for fellowship in USA from eligible and interested candidates. The purpose of the David H. Smith Conservation Research Fellowship is to create opportunities for leading conservation scientists to strengthen their skills through 2 years of applied postdoctoral research, supplemented by training programs, peer networking, and field learning experiences, so that they may 1. Build productive partnerships with conservation practitioners, and 2. Contribute and communicate scientific knowledge to problems of critical importance in conservation. Research Job Area Conservation Science and Application. Location David H. Smith Conservation Research Fellowship Program, USA. Eligibility Qualification. To be eligible, individuals must have completed their doctorate within the past 5 years or by the time the award is made in 2020. Applicants who have not yet completed their doctorate must clearly indicate on the application the date the degree is expected. The fellowship funders require that the fellowship be administered by a U.S.-based institution and that the research be primarily conducted in the U.S. However, U.S. citizenship is not required. Job Position Description. Each fellow is mentored by 1. An academic mentor, typically at an academic institution, who encourages the fellow's continued academic development, and 2. A field or practitioner mentor who helps the fellow connect his research to practical conservation challenges. The practitioner mentor is typically affiliated with a conservation organization, government agency, non-governmental organization, or other non-academic conservation organization with expertise and experience in on-the-ground application of conservation science. Fellows may be administratively based at either the sponsoring academic institution or conservation organization, typically the location of either the academic or practitioner mentor. Research group encourage applicants to explore both options to determine which would be more suitable to the proposed research and beneficial to their continued development as a scientist. Each fellow will receive an annual salary of $57,500 plus benefits, with the postdoctoral position expected to run for 2 consecutive years. In addition to the stipend, each fellow receives a travel budget of $8,000 and a research fund of $32,000 over the 2-year fellowship period. How to apply? All materials must be submitted electronically on online submission platform, apply.smithfellows.org. All files should be uploaded in PDF or MS Word format. The research plan, excluding literature cited, must not under any circumstances exceed 8 pages. Font size must be at least 11 point, margins must be at least 2.5 centimeters, line spacing must be at least 1.5. The cover letter, title page, literature cited, personal statement, and curriculum vitae are not included in the 8-page limit for the research plan. Deviations from these requirements may be grounds for disqualification. Cover letter. Research plan. Applicant's curriculum vitae. Personal statement. Letters. All application materials, including letters from sponsors and references, must be received by Society for Conservation Biology via the online submission platform by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 13, 2019. For contact questions about the application process may be directed to the Smith Fellows Program at smithinfo@smithfellows.org. Last date for apply the 13th of September 2019. All applications materials must be received by September 13, 2019. Finalist interviews will be conducted in January 2020. All candidates will be notified of the status of their application by January 31, 2020. Funds are available for fellows to start anytime between March and September 2020. Thank you and best wishes from our team. Like, share, comment, and if you are first time here, then don't forget to subscribe.